If you walk into the exam hall in May 2026, open the question paper and start solving from question 1, you have already failed. It doesn't matter how much you studied. It doesn't matter if you solve 500 mock tests, because the NEET paper is not designed to test your knowledge. It is designed to test your decision making. The examiner knows you will attempt the paper linearly, so they deliberately place speed breakers, trap questions early in the paper to drain your brain's battery before you even reach the easy questions. Today, we are not going to learn how to study for NEET. We are going to learn how to attempt it using the 3-round algorithm. Hi everyone, I am Sri Rohit. Welcome to Neo Mentora. If you are new here, we don't do motivational videos here. We decode the data, the psychology, and the operational realities of medical education. My goal is to protect your rank from avoidable mistakes. If you value strategy over hype, make sure you subscribe. Now let's deconstruct the biggest design flaw of human brain. To understand why students with high knowledge get low ranks, you have to understand one biological fact: decision fatigue. Your brain does not have infinite energy. It runs on glucose. Every time you fight a tough physics calculation or debate between option B and option C, you burn glucose. You burn your cognitive battery. Now think like an examiner. If you want to eliminate 20 lakh students, what do? I put the hardest, most calculation heavy questions in the first 30 minutes. Why? Because I want you to burn 60% of your battery on just 15 questions. When you do this, two things happen. 1. Your cortisol spikes, shutting down your logic center. 2. By the time you reach the easy biology questions, at the end, your brain is tired. This is why you make silly mistakes. You didn't lack knowledge, you lacked glucose. So rule number 1, we do not play the examiner's game. We never solve the paper linearly. We use the 3-round algorithm to protect your battery. Before we execute the algorithm, you must agree to 3 non-negotiable rules. Rule number 1, the 45 seconds veto. In the first hour of exam, if you read a question and do not know the path to the answer within 10 seconds, or if the calculation will take more than 45 seconds, you veto it. You circle it and skip immediately. Your ego will want to fight. You must kill your ego. We are here to collect marks. Panic causes shifted sequence errors. Where you bubble question 5's answer in question 6, you will bubble differently in each round. Now here is the algorithm. We divide the 3 hours into 3 specific rounds. Round number 1, the biology hack. 0 to 50 minutes, subject focus, biology and organic chemistry. The strategy is to look and tick. We are only hunting for memory-based questions. No calculation, no logic derivation. Your goal is to scan 100 questions and answer about 80 of them. The result, by the 50th minute, you have secured 350 marks. You have theoretically passed the cutoff for a private college. Your anxiety drops, your brain battery is still at 80%. Next, OMR strategy. Bubble page-wise. Finish a page of questions, bubble them immediately. Round 2, the sniper. 50 to 140 minutes. The subject focus is physics and physical chemistry. The strategy is 1 minute solve. Now your brain is warmed up. You pick the standard formula-based questions. If a question requires more than 2 steps of calculation, circle it for later. Do not engage in a fight yet. The result? You will secure another 160 to 200 marks. Now you are in the safe zone for a government seat. OMR strategy, bubble question-wise. Solve 1, bubble 1. Since the gap between solving is longer, bubbling gives your brain a micro break. Round 3, the ego round. 140 to 180 minutes. Subject focus, the circle questions. The strategy is to fight. Now you go back to the speed breakers you skipped, the tough rotational motion problems, the ambiguous organic mechanisms. You have 40 minutes for the hardest 15 questions. Even if you get this wrong or run out of time, you don't care. Why? Because your selection marks are already safe in the OMR sheet. To summarize, NEET is not a selection exam. It is a rejection exam. The paper is designed to reject the student who panics, the student who has an ego, the student who fights unnecessary battles, On exam day, you will see thousands of students nervously reading pages outside the center. They are relying on their short-term memory. But you will wait in calmly because you are not relying on memory. You are relying on an algorithm. Don't let the examiner dictate your result. Take control of paper in the first 10 minutes and the rank will follow you. If this video gave you a tangible strategy, share it with a serious aspirant. Subscribe to Neo Mentora because in the next video, we are going to audit your sleep cycle. Stay disciplined, stay strategic. Jai Hind.